Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add calculator in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and I want to add a calculator inside of my page. So I'm opening my page section and here is the page. I'm going to edit this page. And click on this block icon and from here select custom HTML. You will get this code in video description below, so you have to copy all this code and you have to paste here, then click on update and I'm going to show you the result. So here you can see a calculator has been added. So I'm going to show you the result. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.